In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off inverted scrolling on your MacBook or any Mac computer. So what we need to do is to open up Settings app as usual. And as you can see on the left panel, we have the regular menus. It looks similar to iPhones and iPads, of course. And at the bottom, if you get to the bottom of the list, you should be able to see the connected device. So, it might be like the trackpad on your Mac, or even if you use your mouse as a connected device, you should be able to see it in here. So in my case, I'm going to click on a mouse, and the inverted scrolling is also referred to as natural scrolling. So of course, there isn't any right or wrong way to scroll. You have to just decide which one suits your needs. And for me, it is currently enabled and it scrolls in one direction. So you can give it a try and turn it off, and it's going to scroll in the other. You also have it like visually indicated that when this is disabled, I can swipe from the top to the bottom and it just tracks my movement. And if I enable it, I can drag it in the other direction. So it's pretty much just that. There isn't really much to do, right? Let me know if you manage to do that. Let me know if you manage to set up your mouse to scroll the way that you prefer. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll talk to you later in the next videos. Definitely subscribe so you don't miss it, and I'll see you later.